So retirement, we always say that if something goes wrong, we're the first one that takes a stab at it to try to get it fixed. Well, here I have a blower motor that seems to be out. And so instead of calling somebody and paying $1,000, $1,500, I took a stab at it, took it apart, ordered a motor. I'm waiting for it to come in, but while I'm waiting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the coils. I'm going to show you where that's at. Let me show you. This is that's the drum, all right, and that's the drum's housing. So that fits in there, and then the motor comes in right here, and we'll kind of show you what that looks like once it all gets put back together. But yeah, it's not all that complicated. So these are your coils. The hard thing is that so the air comes in here, right? Comes up. These coils turn cold. Air flows through it. The blower motor is up here, and it pushes the cold air up into the ducts. Right? Simple process. Yeah, I'm not an HVAC guy. I'm a infantry military guy turned HR director. So, but I took a stab at this to try to see if I can't get this fixed, and I think I can do it. So there might be some other pieces or other problems wrong with this, but you start from square one and you go from there. All right, gives you something to do in retirement. So your air filter goes right there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what or how I'm going to clean these coils. And so to clean the coils, I'm going to use this cleaning foam, right? Foam cleaner. It's self-cleaning. Just spray it on the coils. Let it drip a little. Let it dry, and it's supposed to remove gunk. I don't know. We'll see. But let's get under there and take a look. So I got a fit in between these. And it's going to be a tight fit, but here we go. All right, so here's the coils. So I'm hoping that you're able to see that. Not the dirtiest, but since I have the motor out, might as well get it cleaned. So let's take a look. Okay, there's half of it. I just need to push in a little and get the rest. All right, there you go. It's all foamed up. Just gonna let that dry for a little bit, and then I'll probably do it twice. All right, hang in there. And there we go. Wow, so I can't really say it did an excellent job. I didn't think it was going to do it. Nothing you put on and it's supposed to dissolve things and rinse things off by itself. You kind of need a brush, vacuum, shop vac, get in there and suck some of those things down, but that's a task for someone that's a lot thinner than I am. So I'm good with what I got. So let's begin the process of putting it all back together. So here we go. New one, old one. I'm gonna take these brackets off. What I like to do is always take a picture of what it looked like, so that when I'm putting it back on or switching it over to here, you know, there's no mistake. All right, step 2. Did I put that in? There you go. All right, so we got it all back in. It is sitting right down there. Hopefully you can see it. And so now we have to put it back in here. Let me shine a light on here. You can probably see some slats right here and right there. That's kind of where it needs to slide back into. Let me put you back over here so you don't get hurt. I'm going to stick this right here. So I got some light. Okay, so I got it back there installed. And I just turned it on. Sounds a whole lot better. Yeah, it sounds a whole lot better than what it was. So I'm gonna go downstairs and reprogram my thermostat, make sure that's squared away. Come back, check on here, put the covers back on, and then let it run for a little bit and see if I did it. So I just closed up all the panels. It's been about 10 minutes now, and it's working just fine. Wife's yelling downstairs that it's blowing cold air. Well, motor sounds good, blowing cold air. I think we have a successful another do-it-yourself project. So, first time I've ever changed out a blower motor. Not that difficult. If you ever change out a blower motor and you run into problems, give me a call. Chandler's Retirement Live. Talk to you later.